Hello and welcome. I am Humayun Kabir, Managing Director of KBR IT Solution. We believe in transforming ideas into a digital success. Founded in 2016 with just a vision, a small team, we grown into a trusted IT company serving clients across the global. All of our base here in Bangladesh. Our journey started with one mission to deliver creative, reliable, and result-driven digital solution to our business, all of size. Today, we are proud of offer a wide range of service, including graphics design, social media management, website and apps development, video editing, SEO, and much more. If you're looking for passionate, professional, and future-focused IT company, welcome to KBR IT.